Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to show you how to prepare complete South Indian meals within 20 minutes. Today I have prepared different varieties of dishes. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time or if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing beans palya, I have taken here beans. It's around 400 to 500 grams. For this, I am adding washed chana dal. Now I will be adding water, salt for taste, just a pinch of sugar so that the color of the beans will remain same. Now I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After pressure cooking, I will show you. Now I have taken here one pan. For that I am adding little oil. Now I am adding little mustard, little jeera, little chana dal and little urad dal. Now once the mustard starts popping, I will be adding finely chopped onion. Today I am using 2 finely chopped onion. We will cook the onion until it gets soft. I am adding little curry leaf. I have taken here mixer jar. For that I am adding 3 green chilies. As per spicy you can use green chilies. I have added few ginger, few garlic and then few ginger. And now I am adding fresh grated coconut. Now I will grind this. We should not add water while grinding this. Along with this little I am adding chopped coriander. Now I will grind it. After grinding it looks like this. Here once the onion gets soft, now I am adding turmeric powder. And very little I am adding sambar powder. This is homemade sambar powder. And little hing. And now I am adding the prepared masala paste. Now we need to fry this. And there should be no raw smell. So we need to fry it well. Now you can see here beans is also cooked. Now I am transferring the cooked beans to this masala. Now we need to mix it well. I will be adding salt for taste. As beans is already cooked, it doesn't take so much of time. And now I am adding here fresh lime juice. Now you can see beans palya is ready. We can use it as a side dish or even you can taste it with chapati, puri, dosa also. Now I am transferring the prepared palya to serving bowl. You can see it's looking very colorful. For preparing tomato rasam, I have taken here tur dal. I have washed it and I have soaked it in water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will be adding little more water and few drops of normal cooking oil. Now I am adding here little turmeric powder, 1 little green chilli, and here I have taken 2 tomatoes. Now I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Here I have taken 1 pan. For that I am adding little oil and little ghee, homemade ghee. Once the oil and ghee is heated, I am adding little mustard, little jeera, little methi, and here I have taken few crushed garlic and 2 red chilies and little curry leaves. Now I am going to add them. First crushed garlic, red chilies, and then curry leaf. Close any lid, otherwise it will pop to your face. Now I am adding little ing. And now I am adding rasam powder. This is homemade rasam powder. Today I have used around 1 spoon of rasam powder. Now I will be adding jeera powder. For rasam, jeera powder is mandatory. It will give good fragrance and good taste to our rasam. You can see the tur dal is cooked very well. If you add little oil and turmeric powder, the tur dal will cook very well. See, like this, it's almost in mashed stage. This is one of the tips. See, like this. Now if you want, you can mash it like this by using spoon only. As I am preparing South Indian meal, so that I am going to fry few pappads and mirchi, that is sun-dried mirchi. So I have kept here 1 pan. For that I have added oil. See, this is sun-dried mirchi. This is homemade. Even you will get it in all supermarkets also. It will be very tasty. It will be prepared using buttermilk and dried it in sun rays. This one I am going to use today. Oil is heated. I am going to fry the pappad. Frying here mirchis. See, it's very simple. If we cook it for around 1 or 2 minutes in oil, it will get crispy texture. Then it will be ready. Now I will take it off from the oil. And while frying the mirchi, you will get the very good fragrance. It tempts us to eat this mirchi. Now I am going to add boiled tur dal and tomato. And you can adjust the consistency by adding water. Now I am adding water. Now I am adding salt for taste. To adjust the taste, I am adding jaggery. And then cleaned tamarind juice. As per taste, you can use tamarind juice and jaggery. If you want, we can add it again later also by checking the taste. Now I will allow it to boil and then I will check the taste. If you want, we can add salt, jaggery and tamarind juice again. Now let it boil. I am adding little more salt and little tamarind juice and little jaggery also. Now you can see it's boiling very well. Within 5 minutes we can prepare this, and very tasty rasam, and you can taste it with rice also, and even you can drink it directly. Now it's boiling. I'll switch off the stove. Now I'm transferring the prepared tomato rasam to serving dish. You can see it's looking colorful and aroma is also good. Again I'm garnishing it with coriander. Few of them requested me to show how to prepare rice very easily and very soft rice, so that I am going to show you that recipe today. So that I have taken here 1 cup of normal Sona Masuri rice. After washing the rice for 2 times, I am transferring it to cooker. For 1 cup of rice, I am using today 2 cups of water. Always while cooking rice, we need to add little salt so that it will give good taste. The cooker is cooled. Now I am going to open the cooker lid. You can see the rice is cooked very well. I am going to serve it into serving plate. Here I have kept few pieces of onion and cucumber, and now I am keeping here pickle. This is, we call it as ellikai. Now I am going to serve beans palya. Now I am going to serve tomato rasam and curd. Today I am serving with homemade curd. And here I have kept 1 bowl of rice. Now I am keeping the fried pappad and then fried mirchis. Now we can see South Indian special meals is ready, which can be prepared within 30 minutes. I will show what I have kept. Here I have kept beans palya, and then here it is tomato rasam, homemade curd, rice. For salad today I am using onion and cucumber, and this is pickle, we call it as ellikai pickle, and then 2 peppers and 2 fried mirchis. Hope so you enjoyed my today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.